me some of your love. Come give me some of your love. Come give me some of your love. I got way too some my sister, and I'm trying to give a fuck. Cause I'm a bully in the night. Ain't you when I wake up? Girl, do you feel now? Baby, give me some of your love. Come give me some of your love. Come give me some of your love. Cause it's on. Turn on the radio, baby, I'll turn you on.
Cheers to life. It's not the worst. I'm at my hair appointment.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, cry that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, cry that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying with a certain amount of bling.
Hi, my name is...
I was taking a picture of my feet.
Yeah. Okay, y'all. It's baddie sucker cop.
Okay.
The inches is
Everywhere.
it's time to take a shot. It's time to take a... I'm not playing with you. I hate carrying.
All right, y'all. We are in Detroit.
We outside. Lashes complete.
Oh.
We need to do that one when they like go the other way. Go the other way.
Wait, girl. Do what? You better get this on your phone. What? I want to go out. Hey y'all, I do not want to start off my vlog raggedy for this weekend, but my hair looks a mess and I don't have nothing but a few lashes. I do have a hair appointment, so I'm gonna start this vlog off however I need to because it's not gonna be organized. I am thinking about doing like wand curls. I will be back on here when my lashes are done. Let's see y'all, Saturday. This one is the best one I sing.
We can chill, we can smoke. Me and you, all alone. Anything that you want, I know it's gonna be good.
Hey y'all, I just finished with my hair appointment. The curls, I'm gonna go, let's get it. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Yeah. It's dark right here. It's a little scary, huh? A little scary, huh? I'm gonna hit y'all back when I get in the car, because I'm pretty sure I ruined this vlog by smacking on the gum.
I was broke, my fucking spine. Job was hard to find, but now look at me shining. I thank God, cause it's my.
It's your girl Name.
It's your girl Jay.
And we are vlogging. And we is about to turn up. We finna start a YouTube channel. Hey, Shay, I'm so sad you couldn't come, but guess what? We still love you. We're about to be on our way. On our way to Shadow.
Thank you.
Hold up, hold up. Lost without you. Do you want me? Do you wanna love?
Secret Service shit, we down a dump. I'm the president.
Bust your head, bust your head. You better. Hey y'all, so I'm back at work. I'm not drinking anymore. No kissy.
Oh. Okay. Whatever that means.